In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove hover effect in Webflow. We'll walk through it directly in the Webflow designer, making sure we target the right element and cleanly remove the behavior so nothing moves or fades when the cursor passes over it. Start by opening your project in the designer and navigating to the page where the hover is happening. With the canvas visible, go to the Interactions panel on the right. Inside Interactions, locate the hover trigger that's affecting your element and select it. In this example, the element is a team member image, so click the element with the class name, team member image, to make sure you're editing the correct target. If the interface shows nested items or a list of actions, follow the highlighted entries the designer presents. Click those highlighted rows to expand the hover trigger, then the animation attached to .team member image, and continue clicking the highlighted items until you're looking at the full interaction details. If you realize the wrong element is active, reselect .team member image on the canvas, then keep following the highlighted prompts to focus the interaction on that element again. Now switch to the Style panel. Here, you'll confirm whether any visual changes are being applied by the element's hover state. Use the highlighted state control to switch into the hover state and, again, follow any highlighted controls that appear so you're zeroed in on the same .team member image. This is important because hover behavior in Webflow can come from two places: an interaction or styles applied specifically to the hover state. With the hover state active, check what's called out by the UI. If a transform, opacity, or filter is highlighted, click into those highlighted items so you can review exactly what's in play. Next, open the relevant settings area for what you're viewing and choose Delete to remove the hover behavior. This action removes the hover interaction or hover-only styling without deleting your element or its class. If a confirmation appears, read it and proceed so the hover is fully cleared. To verify, use the shortcut shown on screen. Press Alt plus Shift plus Enter to preview on the canvas. Move your cursor over the image. It should no longer animate or change. If anything still reacts, return to Interactions and make sure no additional hover triggers remain on the element or apparent wrapper. That's it. You opened the project, selected the hover interaction, targeted .team member image, reviewed the hover state in style, used settings to delete the behavior,